family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selinazinchuk. My channel is about DIY natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. For this recipe, we will need 4 cups of filtered water. I already added in 2 cups to our pot. I'm just adding in another 2 cups. First ingredient is our black rice. If you don't have black rice, you can use white rice, because I know black rice is a little bit difficult to find in some countries. I'm just going to be adding in 3 tablespoons of our black rice, and I'm going to wash it just to get rid of all the impurities from our rice. After cleaning our rice, I'm just going to transfer it into our pot, and then we are going to boil this rice until it becomes soft. Our rice is on boiling, so we are now just going to clean our gravola leaves. This is how the packet is looking, and this is how the dry leaves is looking. I will be using 10 leaves for this mixture. I already got 5 in here. I'm going to add the remaining 5. All what I'm doing is just breaking it into little pieces, and then I will rinse it out and set it aside until our rice is ready. You don't need too much heat for this, so once your rice is almost ready, you can add this to it and let it just boil for a few minutes, and then let it just steep for 15 or 20 minutes. Rice water been boiling for over 15 minutes now. As you can see, the color changed. It is ready. I'm just going to transfer our leaves into it on the lowest heat right now, so I'm just going to leave it for about 5 minutes, and then after I will turn the heat off and just leave it for 20 minutes, let it steep and let it cool down, and then we'll transfer it into our spray bottle. Been a couple of hours, our mixture is now cool. I'm just going to strain it. Our mixture is ready. Let me just show you exactly how I will be using it on my kids and myself here. This is the treatment I'm going to be using on my girls and myself here this week and next week. We got our solution here, and then I also got my little leave-in conditioner, and I will be using my Secret Growth Oil. This treatment is very easy to make. I see you guys saw it. Now, if you've been following my channel for a while, you see that I have a lot of different types of DIY treatment on my channel. If you are someone who just starting your natural hair and you turn to DIY treatment and you don't know where to start, I have a video on my channel showing you exactly my hair routine. Now, go into those playlists, select one recipe from each step and stick to it. You don't have to switch to using different things every month. I'm someone, I love to research and try new ingredients and different ingredients, and majority of my ingredients, those what I use to grow my daughters and myself hair out, but you don't have to do exactly what I'm doing. Choose something that works for you and just stick to it for 3 to 6 months. Except if you are someone who also loves to experiment and try different natural ingredients. And there is nothing bad with experimenting with natural ingredients. If you also just love watching these type of videos just so you can be educated on different types of ingredients, how to use them, how to mix them, you can also recommend them to your family, then that's also very great. I know sometimes you guys get confused and it's like which one gonna work, what can I do? You don't have to do everything what I'm doing. I'm someone who loves experimenting, so just choose something that works for you. Choose one shampoo, one pre-poo treatment, one deep condition treatment, one leave-in treatment, one daily sprays, and you can use that for months. I decided to keep my hair in big twists this week, so I'm gonna be using this as a daily refresher. I will keep my hair in the twist. I will just spray a little bit on this daily, and then I will take my twist down once a week or twice a week, and then just do exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm first going to concentrate this on my scalp, massage that in, and also part my hair in smaller sections so I can get the treatment on my scalp. And also apply it down my hair shaft. After that, I'm going in with my S Secrets Growth Oil, and I will also just apply it on my scalp, massage it in, and also massage that entire section up. And then I also add my growth oil on my hair shaft. Then I'm going in with my leave-in treatment. This leave-in treatment that I'm using, this is my aloe vera butter. I just made it very runny this time around. If you want to see how I made my aloe vera butter, I will leave that video down in the description box for you. In Africa, the fruit of that leaf is called salsa. The seed is also great for health, so everything about the tree is useful. Now, these leaves help in eradicating dandruff from our scalp. If we don't have a healthy scalp, that can lead to damage of our hair follicles, which can also lead to alopecia, and that can affect our hair growth. So treating your scalp is very, very important. That is one of the first steps to healthy hair growth. If you don't have access to this leaf, another thing I would recommend is organic neem oil. I also sell that on my website. Organic neem oil is very great for scalp health. I also use that regularly on my kids and myself here, just to make sure that our scalp is healthy and unclogged. If you've been following me for some time, you should know I'm big on using black rice on my kids and myself here. This rice is very important for hair health, hair growth. It has a very high amount of antioxidant, very high amount of protein, and a good part of it, it doesn't smell as bad as white rice if you are using it on your hair. Now, boiling it is another method to using it. There are various ways that you can use it. I have a whole playlist on rice water and how to use it on your hair. I will leave that playlist down in the description box for you. You can use this treatment as a leave-in treatment just how I'm using it, or you can use it as a rinse out treatment. Whatever way, your hair will still benefit from it. Family, so this is the end of this video. If you love this video, can you please give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.